When Abiy sneezes, diplomat catch cold. Every time Abiy makes a move, the world panics like he just reset the Wi-Fi or something. He sneezes, CNN goes live. He signs a port deal, 5 embassies needed therapy. Trump tweets chaos. They call it strategy. Abiy breathes differently. They call it instability. He's not threatening peace. He is threatening dependence. The world is not afraid of his moves. They are afraid of his momentum, guys. So yes, when Abiy sneezes, diplomats catch cold. But Ethiopia is immune to doubt. If confidence was contagious, who would get sick first? From the soil up.